What's up, everybody? How you doing? It's Chad Schleiger from the Wellness Point, your chiropractor. If we've never met before, I hope to be your chiropractor soon. I'm doing this quick little how-to video on behalf of my beautiful wife, who's right there, that knockout brown-haired stick of dynamite. She's probably at home right now making dinner, and she's probably going to yell at me for making this video and saying what I'm about to say, but she'll correct me later. So real quick, before we get started on how to do these meal plans or where to find them or how to sign up for them, I want to tell you the 6 benefits of meal planning. Number 1, you're going to save money. There are many times for many people that money is just really tight for them, and they got to squeeze and they got to pinch pennies on the food budget. So by planning and eating nourishing foods, you will be more satisfied and will require less calories to fulfill your needs of hunger, and hence you'll save money. Number 2, you'll actually eat real food. By planning and committing to eating nutrient-dense food, it's vital for many aspects in health, and takes a lot of planning, a lot of advanced planning in order to make that plan happen. Have you ever went to the grocery store with great intentions and you find yourself lost in the middle of the store, somewhere down the cereal aisle, and that little tiny voice inside of you says, just shop the perimeter? But by now, you know, your cart's filled with 4 frozen pizzas, a huge stack of cheese curds, some crackers, some pre-made sandwiches, and a gallon of coconut ice cream. But it's healthy because it's not dairy. It happens to me all the time. This is why it's really important to be committed to eating real food, or in my case, just letting my wife go grocery shopping without me around. Number 3, you don't waste food when you meal plan. I enjoy leftovers, I really do. But one of my biggest pet peeves is to open the fridge and find something that resembles your 4th grade science experiment when you open the lid. Using the meal planning subscription, you'll always know the amount of food that you need, when you'll need it, and you'll be sure to use it before you buy it, because of the pre-made grocery store list that's automated for you. So food is rarely wasted. Number 4, you'll have a lot less stress. Decision fatigue affects us all. We need to know what to wear every morning, sometimes multiple times a day if you got to change your clothes. You got to know what the kids are wearing, whether or not the laundry's done. You need to know where the kids are going, what's going on with your work schedule, your school schedule, your home life, the kids' sports schedule, just life in general. So by 4 o'clock, the kids are getting off of sports or athletics, or maybe it's a little later than that. Maybe they're just getting off of school, and you go, oh shoot, the kids are going to be hungry anytime now, and I don't have anything planned. Energy is neither created nor destroyed. So anytime you can remove the energy in the equation and make decisions, have the decision made automated for you, it'll give you more clarity and more energy to make other decisions later. These plans take uncertainty out of everyday decisions and minimize the stress of trying to juggle all of the plates that we as parents have to juggle. Number 5, it's going to save time. A huge benefit in meal planning is you can cook things in bulk and freeze for the future and make extra protein for a different meal later in the week. If you don't have a plan for the week, then you'll run into losing time, wasting food, and continuing your stress of what's for dinner tonight and not knowing. Number 6, it's going to add variety. It seems like meal planning is rigid and boring, but statistically, families are more likely to eat the same meals over and over and over again if they don't plan their meals, and you know exactly what I'm talking about. Meal planning allows you to ensures a variety and avoid you falling into the trap of eating the same meal 5 times over. A very nutrient-dense diet is good for your digestive system, is good for your hormones, your immune system, your child's brain development. It helps to keep the gut-brain axis functioning like it's supposed to. It's good for your microbiome, and it exposes you to a wider range of nutrients. So then you don't have to supplement as much. So real easy. You just get to her website. You put her website in the browser, thesimplerd.com, and then you can either scroll down to the bottom and click here on sign me up, or across the top, you can click on meal plans and it'll bring you to the same place. So these meal plans start at $9 a month. They go up to $19 a month. Obviously, the more you buy, the more options that you have. Or if you just want to do a trial on one of these meal plans, you can do a 3 to 5 day trial. And you can look, see which one's best for you. Anti-inflammatory is going to be really good for pain management, healthy digestion, weight management, helping with chronic diseases such as fibromyalgia. Patients would be great for that. Plant-based diet, I believe this is the one that I clicked on and I just add meat to it. FODMAP, this is good for people that have IBS, gut issues. So you can go through there. For me, let me see here. I have an account. I should just be able to log in here. So it's going to bring you to this. You can sign up for your free trial, or if you want to start, you can click there, and then you can just click the login button, and then you can enter your credit card information. But if you're just doing the trial, it doesn't require you to have login information, or it doesn't require you to have any credit card information. So you can try it for 3 to 5 days, and then you'll get something like this, where you can plan your meals throughout the day. You can click on it. You can look exactly what's in it. You can look at the recipe, show the recipe, how to make the recipe. If you need to make it for more people, hang on here. Let me click on one. If you need to make more servings or less servings, you can just click and it automatically changes this. And when you change this, when you go to your grocery list for the week, it'll automatically show you how many ingredients more or less you need for the week. So you can print this off. You can take this to the grocery store, and you can have your ingredient list on Sunday for everything that you need for the following week. If you choose the $19 option, you can mix and match. You can take stuff out. You can add stuff. Let's say my favorite thing to eat, which it is not, is Brussels sprouts. But there's got to be a way to make these things taste good. Sriracha and mustard gets rid of the taste of Brussels sprouts. So then you can add this down here. You can add that, drag it. It's able to count your calories, your carbs, your protein, all of your macros for the week. And you can go on there, you can look at the recipe, you can make these things. So that's it. If you guys have any questions, send us an email, but it's pretty self-explanatory if you just play around with it. You can turn on your weekly meal plan, so you can turn this on or off, where they can send you an email of everything that you have scheduled, and then you can update your payment method. So if you're on one of those plans where it's free, you can put in your credit card information, you can get more options, you can get it for longer than just 3 or 5 days. That's it, man. I hope you guys hope you guys like the new software that we have, and it helps you. It helps you get rid of your pain. It helps you lose weight. It helps you just eat healthier and stay committed to your plan and your goals. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you soon.